Looking for the best 3D printer to bring your ideas to life in 2026? Whether you're a beginner exploring 3D printing for the first time, a hobbyist creating detailed models, or a professional producing high quality prototypes, choosing the right printer can make all the difference. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, comparing their print quality, speed, build volume, ease of use, reliability, and overall value for money. From budget-friendly options to advanced machines packed with premium features, there's a perfect choice here for every type of maker. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which 3D printer takes the #1 spot. And if you want to check the latest prices or learn more about any of the printers featured in this video, you'll find all the product links in the description below. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Now let's get started. Namashner 5, R-Key Technology Max 4 Combo. Looking for a professional-grade 3D printer that combines massive build capacity, blazing fast performance, and exceptional print quality? The Key Max 4 Combo is built to handle everything from large industrial components and engineering prototypes to detailed multi-part creations with ease. Its ultra-large 390 x 390 x 340 millimeters build volume eliminates the need to split oversized models, while the full-surface silicone-heated bed ensures excellent first-layer adhesion and minimizes warping. Featuring closed-loop XY motors, speeds of up to 800 millimeters per second, and 30,000 millimeters of acceleration, it delivers fast, accurate, and stable prints with impressive surface quality. The high-flow Hoten supports everything from PLA and ABS to advanced carbon fiber reinforced materials, making it an excellent choice for demanding projects. Built-in AI monitoring detects print failures and automatically pauses jobs to reduce wasted filament, while the intuitive touchscreen makes operations simple for beginners and professionals alike. For even greater creative freedom, the Key Max 4 Combo can be paired with the Key Box for up to 16 color and multi-material printing with intelligent filament management. Please note, the Polar Cooler is not included with the Max 4 series and must be purchased separately. If you're looking for a powerful, future-ready 3D printer, the Key Max 4 Combo is an outstanding investment. Our 4, Bambu Lab P1S Combo. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, and beginner-friendly 3D printer that delivers professional quality results, this model is an excellent choice. With support for up to 16 colors and multi-material printing, when paired with the Bambu Lab AMS, you can create stunning, vibrant models with incredible detail. Its blazing fast printing speed of 500 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration dramatically reduces print times without sacrificing quality. The fully enclosed design enhances performance when printing advanced materials, while automatic bed leveling ensures consistent, hassle-free prints every time. Best of all, it's ready to go in just 15 minutes, making it perfect for beginners and experienced makers alike. Compatible with a wide range of filaments including PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, ABS, AA, PA, and PC. This versatile 3D printer is an outstanding choice for hobbyists, designers, engineers, and professionals looking to bring their creative ideas to life. Check the Amazon link in the description below to learn more and get the latest price. Number 3, FlashForge Adventurer 5M. Take your 3D printing projects to the next level with the FlashForge Adventurer 5M series, a powerful and user-friendly 3D printer designed for beginners, makers, and professionals alike. Featuring one-click automatic bed leveling, it delivers perfect first layers every time without manual adjustments. Its Core XY motion system reaches blazing fast speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, allowing you to complete prototypes and production prints in a fraction of the time. The high-flow nozzle, quick 3-second nozzle replacement, and rapid 35-second heat-up ensure maximum productivity, while the dual-sided PEI build plate makes print removal effortless. Advanced features like vibration compensation, a 280-degree Celsius direct drive extruder, multiple nozzle size options, and real-time remote monitoring through the FlashMaker mobile app provide exceptional print quality and convenience. Watch our YouTube review to see the FlashForge Adventurer 5M series in action. Discover its standout features and find out why it's one of the best high-speed 3D printers available on Amazon today. Number 2, Creality K2 Combo. Looking for a powerful next-generation 3D printer that delivers professional quality results with minimal effort? The Creality K2 Combo is built to impress with support for up to 16-color printing by connecting up to 4 CFS units, allowing you to create stunning multicolor models without the hassle of painting. Its generous 260 x 260 x 260 millimeter build volume is perfect for everything from detailed prototypes to larger creative projects. Designed for convenience, the K2 arrives pre-assembled for a true plug-and-play experience and supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, PETG, ABS, PLACF, and PET. Enjoy ultra-quiet printing thanks to advanced step servo motors and dynamically balanced fans, making it ideal for home or office use. The smart auto-leveling system quickly levels only the necessary print area for faster, more accurate setup, while the built-in AI camera monitors your prints in real time to detect issues like spaghetti failures and idle status. Combined with its rigid frame and precision step servo motor system, the Creality K2 Combo delivers exceptional speed, accuracy, and print quality, making it one of the best choices for creators, hobbyists, and professionals looking to elevate their 3D printing experience. Number 1, Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. If you're looking for a high-speed, intelligent, and beginner-friendly 3D printer, the Anycubic Cobra S1C is an outstanding choice. Featuring a built-in filament drying system, it keeps your filament moisture-free to reduce bubbles, clogs, and print failures, ensuring consistently high-quality results even during long printing sessions. Its advanced Core XY motion system delivers blazing fast print speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, while maintaining exceptional precision for prototypes, functional parts, and creative projects. With support for up to 8-color printing by connecting 2 ACE Pro units, you can create vibrant, multicolor models while minimizing filament waste. The fully automatic calibration system, including one-click auto-leveling, vibration compensation, and flow rate calibration, makes professional quality printing easy, even for beginners. A fully enclosed chamber provides stable temperatures for demanding materials like ABS, while the Anycubic app and LAN connectivity let you monitor and control prints remotely. Combined with its quick swap nozzle design for hassle-free maintenance, the Anycubic Cobra S1C offers a seamless and efficient 3D printing experience. Check the product link in the description below to learn more and get the latest price on Amazon. Thanks for watching our top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect 3D printer for your needs, whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional maker. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. We'd also love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which 3D printer is your favorite, or if there's another model you think deserves a spot on this list. You'll find the links to all the 3D printers featured in this video in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.